guys, welcome to my braiding channel. I'm here to share some of my creations with you. As the name suggests, this braid uses the concept of a waterfall braid. If you don't know how to do a waterfall braid, no worries. Simply click on the link in the description of this video and it will take you to my tutorial on waterfall braid. Take a medium amount of hair from the top right of the head. Begin braiding as if it's a waterfall braid. Continue braiding this way till you have 4 groups of strands hanging. Continue adding hair from the left side of the head, but braid normally on the right side. Once you've incorporated hair beside the left ear, finish off the hairstyle with a normal braid. Tie it with a hair tie. It suits thick and darker shades of hair like dirty blonde, brown, and black. However, it still looks fine on blonde hair. It also suits long and medium length hair.